key of the praise was key A major. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do re mi fa sol la ti do, A major, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, so that was the key of the song, and for the progression of the song, for the first part, it was Ejo Nyame wa ye mi do sun. So Ejo Nyame do su do, Ejo Nyame do su do. So many of the praise medley actually goes like that way. Okay, actually goes by most of the local praise. You just have to play your so do. So to have it, to make it more groovy and spicy, most of the bass players play do nyami do so do instead of do so do. They play do nyami so 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 do so do so do so do. Can add your ghost note. Do nyame so do so do so do so do. Do nyame wa me do so. Okay, but I didn't play this way. I played do nyame do fa fa la mi so do. Okay, do nyame do fa fa la mi so do. Then you go to your mi. Mi. Okay, do nyame do nyame. Okay, so instead of me playing the mi, I did a chromatic movement from my two to the three to the mi. Okay, so do nyame do mi fa fa la mi so do re mo mi. Okay, do nyame wa ye mi so so whilst going to my my I played mi la re so. It's mi la re so. So do nyame wa ye mi so re so. Okay, so instead of la re so, sometimes I play so la mi re la so mi la so to stay on the so. Okay, so la mi re la so mi la so. Okay, but I didn't play it like that. Sometimes you can just play it si la mo re la so re la so. Anyhow you play it from your la, you just have to fall from your la and your re, from your la to your re, then to your so. Just has to be on the progression. Okay, so you can play it so la mi re la so. Or you can play it si la mo re la so. Okay, mi la so to hit on the so again, or re la so. Anyhow you play, but I didn't play it that way. I played it like this. So from Edo Nyame wa do so. Ewo my la re so. I played so so la la do la. So I played so la la do la, so la la, so la la, so la la do la re re. Okay, so la la do la re re, so la la do la re re. Then that's for my la re, and come to hit my so. I didn't play so. I played mi fa so 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 ti re so. Okay, to make it more groovy. So I played so I walk on my mommy la 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 do la re mi fa so 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 ti re so. The same thing, just like playing so la anytime you are playing your praise, and then you reach, you want to play la re so, okay, you can just play so la mi re la so mi la so, or re la so, or si la mo re la so mi la so. Okay, so that's the basic concept from the for the first pass. Okay, so to nyame wa imi dosu ewo okay, so that's the first part. So moving on to Etifawa Sena Shenisa Na Yemi Dawson. So that one, the progression is Etifawa Do Mi La Na Yemi Dawson. Etifawa Do Mi La Re So. Etifawa Sena Shenisa Na Yemi Dawson. Okay, so that's for the second concept, but this is how I improved it. Instead of me playing do mi la mi so do, I play etifawa to my me. Instead of playing just do mi, I play do fa fa mi. Sorry for that noise from the bass. Okay, I did the setting, and it is really disturbing me a lot. Okay, so instead of me going straight to my mi do mi la mi so do, I play do fa. So the fa I played with the octave. Okay, do fa fa la. Okay, this is the octave for the fa. Do fa do fa fa mi. Okay, do fa fa mi so la. Then mi fa so ti re do. Okay, etifawa sirina shalisa. Okay, before I play the mi fa so ti re do, etifawa sirina shalisa. I did a chromatic movement from my do to the re. Okay. Entifawa semina sula. Then do di re mi fa so ti re do. Okay. Entifawa semina sa mi fa so ti re do. Okay. Entifawa do fa mi so la mi fa ti re do. Okay, so that's for that part. This one, there's another one that the last part that I want to add. Na ye mi do hata mi ye bones la. Na ye mi hata ye bones so. So that one, the progression is na ye mi do mi la. Na ye mi na ma shira. Okay. Na ye mi do mi la. Na ye mi fa re so. So for that one, instead of me playing na ye mi kata ye bone so, na ye mi fa na ye shira, I play na ye mi solado re mi hammer on from my re to re mi la ti. Okay, solado re la ti. Then I played re mi so la. Okay, sola do re mi la ti re mi so la. Okay, sola do re mi la ti sola. so la. Okay, then na ye fa mi fa so ti re so. I applied the first group from your la re so, the so part that I played mi fa ti re so. Okay, I applied it here. So na ye do mi la. From the do mi to the la, I played so la do re mi la ti. Okay, so la do re mi la ti re mi so la. Okay, then the second part na ye mi fa re so. For that one, I played it 1-1 with the exception of the fifth note. That's the so. I played fa re mi fa ti re so. Then we go back to enti fa wa se mi na shanisa aye mi do so. Enti fa wa fa do fa mi so la do di re mi fa ti re do. I hope you get it now. It's very simple. If you don't get it, you just have to go back and watch it again. Okay. Sorry, my bro, my that was my brother. Okay, you were just making fun of me. Okay, just forget about it. So let's groove on the main song. Okay, let's groove on the main song.
Are you ready? Come on. Give a Lord a dance. 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 Come on. Let me see your hands tonight. Listen, I told you me, why am you just so? And what I am, my friend. Yeah, it's if I was and I shut inside. I am here. I told you me, I told you me, what when you never, it's if I was and I shut inside. I am. Oh, no, I am here. I am here. I am here. Entry power, send nation inside. Are you sure? If it's sin and I am here. You want for me? You want for me? You want for me?
So that's the whole concept of the song. Okay, that's the whole concept and that's the whole concept and idea behind the song. Okay, so I'm hoping we see you in the next lesson. Okay, and I hope you'll be blessed by this. Have a nice day and a quality time. Bye.